Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you update iOS 27.3 developer beta version, so might be this video is helpful for you. Now you can eligible to delete, trash and cache data of each and every application. Just only click and delete all the application one time. How to do it? Where is available this feature in your iPhone? Let's start. My iPhone screen is here. So first of all, I just simply show it to you my updated version. So my updated version is 27.0. Update here 27.3 developer beta version. Go back here, you just simply enter here App Store. In your App Store, then click here the profile picture. After clicking the profile picture, here several tab is showing. One of the tab is here personalized recommendation. You just simply tap there and boom, first option is here, clear apps uses data. Previously this feature is not available. You can see here the system data, iOS and some unknown data storage is also available. So sometimes we are totally stuck how we can delete this information, but now this problem is fixed. Clear the app using data store on this device that help personalize your app store experience. If you tap here, so cleaning while only remove apps using data uses as a personalization on this device. You just simply click here and that's it. Using this process you can very easily clean and clear trash as well as cache of particular application. Sometimes we are using any kind of application multiple times and some cache and trash is stored in your iPhone storage like here. So using this process, you can very easily clear hash data and clear cache data as well specific application. Using this process, you can very easily expand your iPhone storage. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.